So these honeyberry bushes are bearing fruit and the birds like them. So we need a anti-bird system. So if we drive a few stakes into the ground and something on top, then maybe we can put a strawberry bird net on top and down the sides, and something to stop Robert. What do you think, Victor?
We're gonna go.
Yeah, we're gonna go. So we have a whole pile of these posts or stakes up on the hayloft. I don't know what they have been used for, but they seem quite old and very dry. So we're gonna use some of these. Luckily we have a lot of scrap wood, and I found these two that could act as the highest point on this anti-bird netting system. What do you think, Victor?
We're gonna build it now.
Yeah, very good. Good job.
Yeah.
That's the third one in. Let's check the sight line. That's good enough. And from the side, it's good enough. Robert.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Robert? This is not a place to park.
Yeah.
I made this chicken tunnel that's easy to move. so they get fresh grass.
Today we're gonna build this tank, and it's day 2 today, and now we're gonna build again this project.
Okay, let's work.
Yeah!
So we cut some wood into quite thin strips, and we're making a cage or a fence around the bushes so the mower won't get into the net, and then we'll hang the net over and inside of the fence and see how that works. All right, so it's a few days later. Looks like we need something to hold it down inside of the perimeter.